And we're back. Welcome back to Creative Designs, where we just try crafting stuff to make sure it works and to pass the techniques on to you guys. Thank you for joining us once again. Hope that what we show you guys here can help you in your crafting world, make some money, be creative, give you some ideas. I just hope it helps you in some kind of way. So please like and subscribe. And hit that notification button. That way, when we come up with more videos, you're notified, and we all in this thing together. So I'm not doing this just for me. I'm doing this for us. So what we're doing today, we're going to make a flat canvas sublimatable Dollar Tree canvas. And what I'm going to use this for is, just being honest, I'm going to put it on my Etsy shop, and I'm going to sell these to ministries who have youth ministries and they want to do canvas, basically using a paint with a twist technique where they can do these in class. They can paint on them and whatever they want to do, make something nice for them to take home after church or Sunday school, or whether they're on Zoom or they giving it away, however they want to do it. We want to help them out. And I'm noticing that my picture is a little bit bigger than my canvas, but we're going to use it anyway. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this out, cut the Jesus face out, and I'm going to use the rest on here. So stay tuned, and we're going to show you how we do this. Again, only thing you need is Dollar Tree canvas frame and a sublimatable print. Now me today, I'm not using my Sawgrass or an Epson or a sublimation printer. I have an iColor 550, which has sublimatable toner in it, and I just print on regular copy paper. This is just regular copy paper, and we're gonna see how it turns out. So stay tuned. So now that I have it cut out where to fit, and it'll look like it's neat on there, it won't be too big. I'm gonna take some heat tape, and I'm gonna do this just like I would do any sublimation print. Turn it over. I'm just gonna tape it down just so it don't slide, give me any ghosting. You don't have to tape it on all four sides if you don't want to, but I am. I got my heat press set to 385 for 60 seconds, and we're gonna go over to the heat press now. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my cover off, because without this cover on, this holds more heat. So I definitely want to have all the heat that I can transferring on this. So take my canvas with my sublimation print, place it on here, cover it with the Teflon sheet so that the ink won't get on the top of the platen, and transfer to the rest of my anything else I press. Get the pressure right, and I'm going for 60 seconds. Now, while taking this off, you want to be real careful because it's extremely hot. It's extremely hot. So you definitely either want to wear heat gloves or some kind of hand protection so that you don't burn yourself. I can kind of see the print through there, which is a good thing. I'm going to take my weeder so I don't have to touch it. I'm just going to pull it off. And there you have it. Now, again, it's hot. So, again, there you go. And they can just paint inside the lines. Now, you can get some paint, some acrylic paint kits from Dollar Tree. And, that way you can give that paint along with this. And this costs $1. The print was probably 25 cents, especially using on regular copy paper. And you can sell these for like $7 or $8 or $5 at the least, and still do good. So hope this helps somebody once again. Sublimatable canvases, you can do these for painting with a twist parties. You can do them for Mother's Day, Valentine's Day. I mean, just get creative as you want to get with it so that you know, you can make some extra income and put it on your Etsy shops and all that kind of stuff with the and make some money. So I hope this helps somebody. Once again, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, hit the notification bell. If you got any questions, make sure you let us know. If you got any suggestions, let us know. Again, we're all in this together. Have a good one.